Good morning everyone. My name is Sakil Sanditanagar from grade 4. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Thursday. Today's date is 16 July 2026. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning everyone. My name is Shaurya Mande from 4B class. I am going to tell you today's thought of the day. Today's thought of the day is do not hate snakes, do not be scared of them, protect them.
Good morning everyone. My name is Hemant Mishigaya from grade 4. Today I am going to tell you today's affirmation. Today's affirmation is based on courage. Please repeat with me. I can do hard things. I ask for help when I need it. Thank you everyone.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shubharohit Kage from grade 4. I am going to tell you words of the day. Today's word is sporadic. It is an adjective. Its meaning is not done or happening regularly. Sentence. His attendance at school was sporadic. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. This is Sabha from 4.
Good morning everyone. This is Chivika from grade 4.
Good morning everyone. This is Aradhya from grade 4.
Good morning everyone. This is Tanvi Putra from grade 4.
Good morning everyone. This is Aradhya Panduranga from grade 4.
Good morning everyone. My name is Labdi Manisanacha from grade 4.
I am going to tell you about importance of the day. Today is World Snake Day. World Snake Day is observed on every year on 16 July. More than 3,900 plus species of snakes that are available in the world. Snakes play an important role of maintaining the balance of ecosystem.
Why do snakes matter? Snakes are crucial to the balance of nature. They protect agricultural crops by hunting rodents and insects.
Snake help to control the spread of diseases. Snake venom contains unique properties, help create life-saving medicine.
We learn that every creature has a distinct purpose on the earth. Snakes are generally shy and can only strike in self-defense when they feel threatened. We learn an importance of conserving natural habitats. We should keep the ecosystem clean to prevent species loss.
Message to community from Shatala Pet School. Let the snake live in peace. Stop troubling the entire species.
A thought to live with that healthy ecosystem we need every species prevent it, preserve it. Thank you.